17 after 10 on the lift off right about this time every single Friday. We talk about taking care of yourself, looking good, feeling good, smelling good, yonke into nje mayelana nokuzinakekela and being the absolute stunner that you were born to be. Namhlanje on Ungalikhohlwa Izaza, we are zooming into male grooming, okay? Men's grooming has become a very hot topic in recent years. Abantu besilisa have gone to the extent of now being comfortable with even wearing nail polish. So really the transition of male grooming has taken a huge turn in the recent years, and Ungalikhohlwa Izaza has also proven ukuthi more and more abantu besilisa have realized the importance of taking care of their appearance, and hlezi shumayela ivangeli lokuthi umuntu wesilisa who takes care of their appearance is more confident and more self-assured than the one who doesn't. So into ebalekile lesingena kuyona namhlanje, it's not just for metrosexuals anymore. Taking care of yourself is for every single man. Now we must see. Okay, it's for you too. So here's another plug, namhlanje, as we tap into all things male grooming with two people from a Mancave grooming lounge. I love this name, Mancave. Isondele egameni lami ngithi mina ngumem. So muthi Mancave kungathi uthi Memcave. Yes. I'm hanging out with Gugu Nkosi, who is the senior beauty therapist, as well as Mbongeleni Mthethwa, who is the senior barber. Good morning, lady and gent.
Hello.
Angiqale ngawe Gugu, because I think these questions that lay the foundation for male grooming are more towards what you specialize in.
Yes.
I often hear ukuthi ukuthanda komuntu wesilisa qala ngama products omzimba that he buys regularly, taking care of your skin and your outward appearance. What are some essential grooming products ongathi ngesakho wonke umuntu wesilisa needs to have in their bathroom noma ewardrobe lapha beyakhona izinto zokugcoba nje zokunakekela?
Okay. So definitely I'd say in the bathroom, njengobuyibeka, because in the bedroom per se it's too far. And umuntu uzokhohlwa.
Okay.
You know, already the male species they're not people abagcobayo, like
abakhonzile.
We have your makeup remover, we have a serum, we have a face wash. There's so many things. Sine vitamin C, sine vitamin E.
Yes.
We have for when the month changes for our face. Ngoba isikhumba sethu we need to accommodate ukuthi okay manje, because ma une stress nakhona isikhumba siyakhombisa. That's the first thing ezokhombisa. So thina sinezinto eziningi in our cupboards. We always buy. Umuntu make wathi try this. Uyahamba uyaqhumela
ngempela now.
Exactly, you know, because uzwe ukuthi sebenzele omunye umuntu. But with male also, because Mancave specializes in male grooming. When we say male grooming, we don't mean just the haircuts. Hence, his slogan says it's more than a haircut, and it is more than a haircut, because we're talking skincare, we're talking nail care, we are talking skin analysis.
So
even
a holistic view on taking care of umuntu wesilisa.
Yes, because our thing is, siyakubona umuntu wesilisa, you are out there, you are pushing, you are hustling, you're getting the bacon, ziningi izinto ezikushaya yosukwini, you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So when you come into our space, we want to say, you king.
Yeah.
You know, siyakubona, let's just pamper you, you know.
So how do we get the king's skin to also reflect his kingship?
You know, a king in guys.
Yes.
Like Meliklo, king. You must walk into that boardroom, walk into that meeting, or walk into that golf game for all I care. And babon, it's okay, uput is well taken. Because I mean, my first appearances, they really do stick and they count.
Also, from a perspective, umuntu wesifazane, umuntu wesilisa that's well taken care of is so much sexier.
Awema.
It's sexy by yakuvele.
Yeah, same time. Yeah, you know, because I mean, uyambuka lo muntu ukuthi okay, uqala ubuka izandla, ubuka ikhanda, ubuka ubuso, like, oh, okay. And then whatever's uphuma emlomeni wakhe, you're gonna trust it.
Usuyayizwa
uhamba naye.
Siyashelela ngathi
ngekasakhuluma into eziningi. So because abantu besilisa, they don't have time. And also ababona vele abantu on a natural nje style abagcobayo abenzana we keep it basic.
Yeah.
So we have izinto ezenzayo, izinto esisebenzayo, professional products, obviously, because we are a professional brand. So we have a professional product that we use without ukubadayisa, but our products abo. So as umuntu wesilisa, when you're looking for a brand that you're going to use, what I would suggest is go for a brand that is South African one, or that is ezohamselana neclimate ala uhlala khona. Reason being if uzosebenzisa ama products akwenye indawo or enziwe kwenye indawo
suited for that particular climate.
Exactly.
Okay.
So uzobona uthenga into eziningi kungasebenzi ubona usawe manga ngathi lento ayisebenzi kanti uthole nje into wrong. Find something that's for your skin type. As ukuthi isikhumba sakho, the best time to look at your skin is in the morning when you wake up. Isikhumba sakho, that time will tell you the truth because usukulele ama cells akha sebenza over time and that's the honest truth you're going to get. So mawuzoqaphela la ngasesiphongweni isesilevini nasekhaleni, that's the areas you need to look at and then decide ukuthi okay isikhumba sami or come to us for skin analysis before uzothenga lawo ma products. But nje basically for them, if you have a cleanser, so the products that we are using is called Iridane. It's a professional product, just for men, and it's a natural product, meaning our kamanyama preservatives afagiwe one. It's just natural.
So just something to cleanse the
to
face.
Cleanse.
Ayu green pa. Cleanser.
Ay, green pa.
A cleanser.
Gavana nga cringe same time ngakho green pa guys, it strips off the natural sunbeam of the skin.
Okay.
No green pa, no. And we always hear ama clients, ayibo mina ngineminyaka mina ngigeza ngensiphe ethile angenzi loose and ngcoba vaseline.
And we're not saying ukuthi lo green bar is bad completely. We're just saying it's not suited for the skin.
Exactly.
So we've got the cleanser. What follows after the cleanser?
So quick cleanser, I would suggest ngoba ama cleanser nakhona ngisahlukile. There's a gel cleanser, there's a water-based cleanser, there's a foam cleanser, maningi, there's about 6 types.
Uyabadida manje oma ngabe usuwahlukanisa ama category.
So asingahlukanisi kumuntu wesilisa.
Yeah.
Lo umanqoba wakho, if you're going to have products ezokwenzela into eyodwa, you know those 2-in-1s, 3-in-1s.
Yeah.
So you need to look at the products ukuthi le products le cleanser, for example njengale, this one is a cleanser, it is a moisturizer, it is a scrub, and it is a mask. So when it depends 4 with one product, and this you can keep in your shower. So the time ungena we gobe, leave it on. It does all of these 4 things in one product.
Okay.
So usuyazi ukuthi you've already masked, you've cleansed, you've exfoliated, and then another on the list. So our products out too basically that you need, and then to moisturize isikhumba sihlezi sifitekile, si nourished, glow, healthy looking.
Yeah.
You need a serum.
Okay.
I can't stress this enough. A serum, if ungeke uzuyifaka serum on the go because nakhona iyacwebezela ngithi because it's rich oil based. Ifake ebusuku. That's what I always tell my clients.
Nakhona futhi serum ngithi kufanele ihambisane with your specific skin concerns and skin type.
Yes. Because ama serum ahlukile. You have a serum that will address dry skin, that will address mhlawumbe ama spots, that will address itchiness and. So enye into asingasabi ukuthi when we go to the shops, the ladies or gents that we find there, buza.
Yeah.
Because they're not just there nje. They know.
Noma yini just because it's a special in. Uzosha. Kugoba bazi bakhale ngokuthi grooming takes up too much time. Hayi mina ngeke ngikwenze lokho isikhathi anginaso. Okwabantu besifazane lokho because you have all the time in the world. How can men incorporate grooming into their daily routine without taking up too much of isikhathi sabo because abathanda izinto ezithatha isikhathi eside kakhulu ne shopping bengazwani nayo.
Abeze Mancave.
Yeah.
But on a serious note, Ngampela, because we do our services about 2-in-1, 4-in-1, where you have a haircut done, a facial done, and while you're doing your manicure at the same time.
All at the same time?
Yes. So you have a barber right here, a styling chair, and then the barber doing whatever it is that you need to be done, whether it's a cut balding, eraser, or a fade. And then there's a therapist who's here with your hands, and another therapist who's here in your face. So quick, and you're out and already when my services out 3. But ngale logo also doing it on a weekly because in maintenance ibalulekile akufani nokuthi uzoqala pants.
Yeah.
You know, some of our clients come to us on a weekly. Like you have a person who comes in every Friday. Like we had a client now at 8 who comes in every Friday morning. Shout out to him.
So if you do it regularly, that means you spend less time with every appointment.
Exactly.
Makes complete sense.
Yabo.
Angize kuwena ke baba othi umgundu umuntu ekhanda ubusy nenzipho la ubusy ngan anything else rather. Abantu besilisa struggle kakhulu with ama burns or amaqhuqhuva after beshefile or after getting a haircut. Yeah. What are they doing wrong?
Okay, first of all ngizothi kuya ngokuthi ushefa kanjani. Okay. If obviously you're going against the grain, which is ungahambisani nonwele, kuzokwenza ukuthi ube nama bumps, ube nama like hair follicles avaleke, and then after that you're gonna have to start using a hot towel, and then like we have something called exfoliator, a Mancave. Okay, so basically it helps you to open your skin pores, allowing ukuthi inwele zikhule from the inside out. But ngizo advise ukuthi ukuze bangabi nayo is skin irritation afterwards, they must make sure ukuthi they apply a hot towel. I-hot towel yenza ukuthi isikhumba sithambe kahle, and then sivule ama skin pores ukuze sikwazi allow any kind of products that you're going to be applying on it ukuze sikwazi ukuthi ingene kahle, and then it's going to help to heal it up. We have even something called a healing cream. It helps a lot with the
But the main thing is musa ukuphambana with the direction that your hair is growing
100%,
in.
because if you constantly keep on doing it, ulebele uphambana, obviously you're going to have like blemishes, and it's about on the dark skin, ingrowns, there's something wrong that you're doing, and you're not preparing the skin before you even start to shave.
I hope we are aware njalo ukuthi this is advice that also counts for us ogelo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi lapha ezansi kuntomzodwa kumaqhuqhuva ngoba nishefisa noma kanjani
chef nje even nasema khwapheni as well, you just like start shaving because when ufuna inole manje ngesikhathi kwenye if you prepare the skin mhlawumbe uqala steam, apply something, and then usuyisusa inwele, and then uyazi ukuthi sesuka kalula because seyithambile phansi.
There's a science to this thing. You must 100%. Be gentle, my friend.
And then afterwards, ngoba vele samajita, we have something called dermatol. You apply it on your skin. It opens your skin pores, allowing your skin to breathe from the inside out. It's also medicated as well, so it makes your skin isusa ama blemishes, amabala na yonke lonto uyenza ukuthi isikhumba sakho sibe fresh, ubuke nje ufresh unat 18.
So I think we've also covered le ukuthi abantu besilisa bangasikhatha down kanjani isikhathi that they spend on their grooming, even though they do want to look great. And the answer to that, like Gugu said, is visit a salon, visit something like a man cave lounge, right? So
and have it professionally done. I mean, you know, having it professionally done, it means
it's done properly.
It's done properly. 100%. So you don't need to, because male cuts every week. Yabona mangithi every week. There's a person who says every Friday morning I cut. Yes. So we have into that, we call it a man cave membership. So we created that for specifically that. Ukuthi umuntu akangabi limited ukuthi ish, but I just cut like a few days ago and anginayo imali to pay for my service ngaleso sikhathi. So they pay us once off, and then they can come in anytime nomi kangaki enyangeni. So to maintain
unlimited. Yes.
Mbongeleni, ama grooming trends for abantu besilisa that are really popping njengamanje yini. I mentioned earlier ukuthi I'm seeing a lot of, especially celebrities in the creative industry, abanganqeni ukufaka nail polish on short nails. What other trends are you seeing?
Ama trends asekhona njengamanje. Uzonotice ukuthi lately amajita ayathanda ukubeka inwele.
Sibanga amaduku bese kulala ebusuku sibanga amadurek.
Umuntu akathenga idurek yakhe.
Amajita ayathanda ukubeka inwele. So there's a haircut called a tapered haircut. So you'll notice that they just taper the temple parts and maybe just the back.
I-tapering yini ukuthi siqale zinkulu mase ziyehla kancane.
Where you could say that's a fade.
Yes. Okay.
Taper uqoqa ngizosho njalo just to make it look nice, to taper the bottom nje kahle wenze ukutrimma basically. But when you have a look at the gents, inwele zakhe zonke ziphelele zifull, but uyabona ukuthi khona lento eyenziwe zincishiwe kancane like kuningi. Then obviously they have their short fades, which is just short and simple, mhlawumbe umuntu add dye and stuff, but ama trend nje ama haircuts rather are trend tapered haircuts, tapered fade, and then it's a short fade.
Namasingle
kabi umuntu ashaya itape emva lokho athi masingle phezulu kwabanjani uyabona lonto.
Yo, all right guys, it's been amazing hanging out with you. Onendlebe uzwile, ongazwanga ayike qhubeka kube crusty and see who listens to you. Ubone wena ukuthi uqonywa ubani unje.